Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how we can download LosslessCut software on macOS. Search on the Google with this text, and under the GitHub go to the GitHub. So with the help of GitHub portal we will download free. Okay, if you try to download with official app store, they will charge you. Okay, it's paid application, so don't go on app store, Mac store. Okay, so just click on here, download. Okay, as you can see, download is going on. So as soon as download will finish, we will install the application on Mac OS. As you can see, download is completed. Just click and open, double click, and in this pop-up just drag and drop into the application, as you can see. So the installation is going on very quickly, and it's finished. Now open the application, and just verify whether the application is successfully installed or not. So as you can see, application is successfully installed and opening. So this is how we can download and install on macOS. Thank you so much for watching this video.